Hi guys! Okay, so today I will be making a video for Ipsy.com and I am subscribed to the Glam Bag subscription. So most of you know, obviously you are here, that they give you little, you pay 10 bucks a month and your makeup bag is customized by your choice, the quiz you take, and you get goodies in there for 10 bucks, which is like one thing in this will is like worth 30 bucks or something, but you get 5 or a couple more things for only 10 bucks. I think it's good. And it's not like they just give you random stuff. They kind of do, but they customize it by your choice and what you want to get, like experiment on. So yeah, and today I will be doing so today I will be doing a video on my October look, which is, well, I do special makeup for Halloween, but today I'm not gonna do a tutorial on Halloween look, but it's more of a just particular October look. Each month I do not have special looks, but by season I do. But only for October, I feel like I like wearing deeper colors, whether it's nail polish or even lipstick. Yes, October is the only month in the year that I will use purple color on my lips. Yep, so yeah, I will be doing a video on the October look, which I will give you some other options that you can change up, but I will be mostly using the products in Glam Bag. So I already applied. I got this Zoya nail polish in Neve. It's a very deep violet color, very Halloween. I already wore it couple of days ago, and it's kind of already chipped off on the sides. But my review for this product is, well, I have used Zoya before, but I never owned one, but I'm glad. It's a very good brand of nail polish to own. So I have another product, which is the Style Sexy Hair spray clay. So, and this Nourish Organics Deeply Nourishing Coconut and Argan Body Lotion. So it's this one. It's a travel size also, I believe. 100% natural, USDA certified organic. I like organic stuff. And it's a Bellaterra Mineral Cosmetics Mineral Shimmer in Navy. It's a deep purple with blue iridescent in it. So it's like almost the Zoya nail polish color. I wish I could show you guys a focus. There you go. And last but not least, a Coastal Scents BRCNO2 eyeshadow color. Eyeshadow brush. It was a nice packaging, but I just put everything in here. It was already most of the stuff in here. Oh, and I love the bag. It says, "Love is beautiful. Love of beauty is taste. The creation of beauty is art." And I love it. Out of all the makeup bags I have ever seen, whether it was like online, with my own eyes, I love this one. It has to be one of my favorites. I got the Coastal Scents BRCNO2 eyeshadow brush. It was in a nice packaging. I took it out. Okay, so I will be also using other products too. Obviously, I cannot do a total makeup look just by this. So as I mentioned before, I do have my basic foundation, concealer. I didn't conceal a lot. I'm breaking out in some places, and I also have scars. So, and for some awkward, okay. So I had a cold, and my nose was all clogged, and I breathed through my mouth, so it got all dry around that place. So please do excuse that. I have not done contouring. I have not done my eye makeup. So for eyeshadow, because I'm almost done, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyelid primer. So let's take that a little bit. Like making a huge mess over here. So your eyeshadow stays longer. There you go. You know what? Did not bring my other stuff. Okay. So I have the Revlon Color Stay Smoky Shadow Stick with me today, and I'm gonna be using this. Does this even have a name or something? Atomic 205. So I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use a dark color. I'm gonna use this golden shade. So I'm gonna use this lightly a little bit under my eyebrows to give that highlight. So first lightly. I have a really busy life. I'm not saying you guys don't, but sometimes I don't even do like eyeshadow. So blend it with your hand. I try to like do minimum stuff. And now take the eyeshadow again and just, you can use any golden color. I'm just using this light one. And go into the corners of the eyebrow. A little bit at the very beginning of the lower eyeliner to give that bright look. Go again on the other side. I like doing it. I like this, like highlighting the inner corners, because I feel like it makes me look very awake. Not only me, any other person. It's a very October. I'm not saying black is not. Black is too, but because this is a video for FCN, I like it's a deep purple. So very fun. But I could have used oh, it's all over the place, my friends. So tap it down. So Bellaterra, if you go online, this is the actual size. It's a very kind of expensive eyeshadow. Obviously it's mineral, that's why. So we're gonna contour the outer rim of the eye. So take it and yeah, there you go. And I'm using the Coastal Sands color. It's better than darker purple colors are better than blacks, cause yet it gives you that smoky eye look and it's not too dark. So yeah, dark brown, dark purple, just blend it in. Is take my clear eye. I pretty much have full eyebrows, and I'm just gonna tame my eyebrows with the Great Lash by Maybelline New York in clear, transparent, so your eyebrows don't go all over the place. Brown eyeliner. Just line the upper lash line a little bit, and fill in the lower lines. Where did I? Yeah, there you go. So curl your eyelashes. The L'Oreal L'Oreal Telescopic Shocking Extension Mascara in Blackest Black Waterproof. So let's do this. If you want, you can use fake lashes too, but because this is an everyday look, and for everyday look, personally, I do not like fake lashes. So, and the mascaras I use are pretty good. They give you like volume and longer looking lashes. So yeah, I'm okay with it. If you guys want to use, as I said, you can use any other purple too. Or any other golden shadow. October is just the best time to wear purple. This is, believe it or not, the only purple I have. My mom has a couple other purples, but I like doing my own makeup tutorial with my makeup. This is Maybelline? Yes, Maybelline Amethyst Ablaze. I believe this was like a limited edition one, but there are other Maybelline purple colors, or other companies like Hard Candy has pretty purples too. So because if I just do like regular lipstick style, it's gonna be too dark. So what I did, I conditioned my lips with chapstick, which I always do, try to do, and just kind of dab it. Like if you want to go more rosy, it's like a really pretty pink, has a little shimmer in there, looks pretty. I like it. And then I have this Maybelline Fit Me blush in medium pink. I lost the lid, so I'm going to take a little bit and go over like by my cheekbones, like a little bit over towards the cheekbone and on top of the apple, so it gives like a nice highlight. And I definitely need to go grab my bronzer. So I'm gonna be using, and my hands get so dry, unbelievable. I have to have a lip balm and a hand cream 24/7 every single day of the year with me. And I'm gonna use this so my hands looks nice after you put your nail polish on. So you'll have, smells nice. I like it. Here, during October and in fall, I just blow out my hair. Sometimes I straighten it. But I like the natural fluffy look around that time of the year. And I have bangs, and I'm just gonna push it back a little bit to get that. I need to focus this more. There you go. So I'm gonna take the clay spray and just to hold up my bangs. Just keep it in place. I'm gonna concentrate on the front of my hair because it's just messy, and I like that messy look around this year. During summer, beachy waves and beachy waves and straight hair is my favorite. But and during holidays, I just love blow dried wavy hairs with curls. And yeah, and I, sometimes that bang comes out. I like that. Give me a second and I will be back. So as I was saying, I didn't came back. I couldn't find my bronzer and I forgot about it. So I take my bronzer, which is not, I use right now I'm using the Physicians Formula Magic Mosaic. So it has dip from light to yellow to really deep color in one palette. The light colors I use to highlight, so I have a flat big nose, so with the lighter color I highlight the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, and a little bit on the cupid's bow. With the bronzer I do the 3 on each side and on the sides of my nose, just to contour it down. Other lipsticks that I love, I'm not gonna put it, the Revlon Color Stay in Smitten. It's a lip, this is I use the most because it just goes in your pocket. It's like a chapstick and it's a stain. Hey guys, sorry, my camera's battery died, but as I was saying, so this is my all over October look. These are the nails. This is, I also forgot to mention, this is my skull earring. I bought this recently. I have been wearing this all the time during October. It's not like those crazy just Halloween ones, but you can wear this any time of the year. So this is the close-up. I know I have a Samsung Galaxy 3, so it's better than the other phone I had before. So this is the eye makeup. Smoky purple golden neutral eyes that you can wear every day. This is a lipstick, a deep cherry purple, and this is my whole face and my kind of flowy crazy natural hair. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope to make more videos for you guys in near future and do more reviews for Ipsy. So thank you for watching and have a good one and be well. Thank you.